Dorado Hills is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Nestled in this community is 4232 Rimini Way, a family-perfect home in the exclusive gated community of Serrano. Step inside to this two-story home where a family-friendly design meets modern elegance. From the freshly painted walls and plantation shutters to the beautiful hardwood flooring, every detail is crafted for comfort and style. Traditional in design, the floor plan is ideal for growing families, offering both open and private spaces. The heart of this home is the kitchen that's open, light, and bright, with beautiful windows where you can soak in the views of the lush backyard. A luxurious, oversized primary suite is a retreat, offering a sitting area, spa-like bath with soaking tub, and a spacious walk-in closet. A main floor bedroom with a full bath offers flexibility for guests, a home office, or even a playroom. Low maintenance, the private yard is complete with a pergola-covered rock salt finished patio and a private courtyard patio, ideal for family gatherings, outdoor relaxation, and summer fun. 4232 Rimini is more than just a home. It's a place where families create lasting memories. Don't miss out on your opportunity to savor the good life in Dorado Hills and make this your dream home.